Everyone, welcome back to Vlogtober. This is day 7 and today I'm just going to show you my Halloween decoration in my living room. We really didn't decorate outside because we're not there yet. I feel like outdoor decorations are more expensive, so maybe next year we will go ahead and get more decorations outside, but indoors, let me show you everything that I put up. And by default, it will be a small tour of our living room since we haven't really done a tour of the house. But I mean, I just feel like I'm gonna do it room by room as I feel ready to show. Okay, so here we go. Also, don't judge me. My plant is dying. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I think it blends in with all the decor. So walking in, I have this Oogie Boogie hanging from the door. And then this little pumpkin trio that we got at Ross. And then I just have a lot of pumpkins up. I have pumpkin buckets. I have some old school popcorn buckets from Disneyland, that 01. Buckets from McDonald's. And then I just have little knickknacks. Here we have pictures of our grandparents up. And I did get the Mickey Trick or Treat pumpkin from work. They had larger pumpkins like the Mickey blow mold, but I wasn't able to get one because they were always sold out. We put these little bats that I got from Target last year up. I want to hang them from the ceiling, but I think they look better like this. So this bookcase we got on little media stand. Here I got more popcorn buckets. Little decor we picked up from, it's from Ross, with our TV. And then we have our clock that we got. Over here in the kitchen, we just have our Halloween mats. We have these little salt and pepper shakers and this little stand for our napkins. I just put up this little banner of skeletons, and we have this paper mache pumpkin and cat up here, and that's pretty much all the decor we have in the kitchen. And then over here are my boyfriend's records. He got all the shelves from IKEA, and then we just put little pumpkins and bats around. I think we got those at the 99-cent store last year. And then just more pumpkins and more pumpkins. This stack is from the 99-cent store, and this one we got at an antique mall in Texas last year. And that's it. That's all of the decor that we have this year. And then here are our couches. Where do we get the couches, baby?
Living Spaces.
We got the couches from Living Spaces, the warehouse sale. They are these like little cute retro style. They're not true vintage, but I prefer them better. This is the little coffee table that we got last week. We did paint it. I feel like it looks a lot better. I still need to stain the top, but it looks so much better. And then just these little skeleton pillows that we got at Target from the dollar section. And that's it for today's video. It's our first year decorating for Halloween, so it's kind of simple. Hopefully next year we'll get bigger decorations. We don't really have much outside, but again, slowly but surely we'll start building our Halloween decor arsenal. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.